Today I'm going to show you how I installed my CB system in my Jeep. I'm going to have everything linked down below so you don't have to go around searching for stuff if you want the same setup I have. When I was deciding where I wanted the placement of my CB radio in my Jeep, I've seen a lot of people put them here or even up here, but I kind of wanted mine hidden. I like the stock look in my cars. I really wanted mine hidden. So I ended up putting it right here, right beside the seatbelt holster. It is right here. So I mounted it with some Velcro. This is the model I have, the Cobra 19 Ultra 3. So this is how I usually have it. I don't have the mic actually installed. I usually keep it in here. And the way I ran the power wire, I ran it under here. So all I did was lift it up like this and I just ran the wire. And what I did for the power cables, I took one of these old chargers that I had laying around for like an old phone. What I did is I plugged this in and the meter, I found out what wire was positive and negative. And I just matched it up to the red and black on the power cables from this. So this thing, I keep it here. On the left side, it only turns on when the car is on, so it's not going to be on right now, but that's how I ran the power cable. Just everything hidden, so you can't even tell that I have a CB radio in here. And for the antenna wire, I ran it underneath my driver's seat. Let's see if I can show you. You can't really see, but I put it underneath my driver's seat and I ran it all the way under this plastic. So I lifted it up and I just ran it all the way. You can kind of see it here. Ran it through here, put all the extra wire under this seat here. It's been working fine. And I ran it all through under here, this whole panel. So I have it underneath this panel. I pulled it out right here so you can see a little bit of what it looks like. So all I did was just stuff it in like that. And it goes underneath there pretty well, so you can't see anything. I ran the cable through here where the brake light goes. I haven't had any issues. I did get the special antenna with this end on it because I wanted a flat look underneath. I've seen a lot of people have like a big old thing on there and I don't like that look. So I got this mount too. It's a flat mount. I just put some sheet metal screws through it and it's been holding up good. So the way I did is I put the sheet metal in first. I put my light back on. So the wire here, it fits perfectly in this little corner there. When you close up the tail light, it's not rubbing on anything. It just fits perfect. So let me put the tail light screws back on and then I'll show you how to put the antenna. So the antenna will come like this, and the way that I mounted it is I put the antenna on the bottom. There's like a little white bushing that has a lip on it on one end. That's what goes through the hole. So the way that I put these on, see that one has that white nylon piece there. That's so it doesn't ground out the bolt in the middle. So you want to put this plastic washer on first, metal washer on second, and then the lock washer on third. Take the screw, so plastic washer, metal washer, lock washer, and then you just tighten it up. This is really hard to do with one hand. So that's the finished product. It's a very clean look. You see how it doesn't stick out from the bottom, how other antennas usually do? I didn't want that. I wanted that clean look. So that's what it looks like. And I put this thing in the right position. I didn't even think about it when I installed it, but it's about half an inch away from the hatch when you open it. But when you close it, everything's fine. And that's it. That's how it looks like. And it works pretty good. I haven't had too many issues. The range isn't that far. I think it's because of the setup here, but I think it looks really clean. So that's how I installed my CB system in my Jeep. I just wanted everything hidden. I didn't want anything to be shown, and I think it came out great. So you can barely see the wiring, and it's right here in between the center console and the seat. So that is how I installed my CB on my Jeep. I think it came out really great. It looks like an RC car. I like the clean look, so I put the CB between my seat and I hid all the wires underneath and made it look all clean, like it's not even there. So yeah, that's how it is. And I'm gonna have everything linked down in the description, so make sure to check that out. Also leave a like and comment and share the video if you like it. See you on the next one.